Hey guys, OSTK Pro here. Welcome to my new series, which is called the Daenerys PC build. So in this series, I'll be splitting the different parts of building a PC into different episodes, which will make it easier for you if you're looking for a certain way to do something in this build. The first episode will be about the motherboard. The second one will be about probably the power supply and the case, and the third one should be about how to install your graphics card, and the fourth one will be installing Windows and updating drivers. So, well, I thought this would be easier for those who are just looking for specific things. So if you're looking for how to put a motherboard together, then click the first episode. You get the gist. So if you'd like to watch the remaining, this is the new playlist. Click on the next video and let's get started.